Hey guys! So today, I'm going to discuss the types of cell. So let's go! So, there are two kinds of cell, the animal cell and plant cell. The presence and absence of few characters are enough to let us know the difference. So, let's discuss the difference one by one. If we travel from the outside of the cell to inner core, the first difference we found is the presence and absence of the cell wall. Plant cells have a proper well-defined cell wall. On the other hand, animal cells do not have a cell wall at all. They just have a cell membrane, which is also part of the plant cell. It is due to the cell wall that the plant cells obtain this proper defined shape. In fact, it is due to the cell wall that the plant cells obtain this proper defined shape. On the other hand, animal cells do not have a proper shape because they lack cell wall. The next obvious difference is the presence of chloroplast in the cell wall. This, as we have already studied, is the exclusive organelle for plant cell. The third difference is the presence of vacuoles. Both of the cell contain vacuoles. However, in plant cells, the vacuole is the large one located at the center, while in animal cells, there are numerous small-sized vacuoles. The central vacuole can occupy a majority of the cell space, pushing other organelles to the periphery. So, this is the difference between plants and animal cells. Let's proceed to the classifications of cells. There are two major types, the prokaryotic cells and the eukaryotic cells. Let's begin with prokaryotic. The name prokaryotic helps us know its structure. The term pro indicates primitive, and the term karyon refers to a kernel, which means nucleus in the case. These cells do not have proper well-defined nucleus. The nucleoid is analogous to the nucleus in our cells. It has strands of RNA, DNA, and it contains genetic information of the cells. The only difference is that the nucleoid does not have a compact shape and mainly lacks a proper membrane. The next difference is that the organelles are also not membrane-bound. That means the prokaryotic cells does not have well-defined membrane for the different organelles. The second one is the eukaryotic cell, which means a cell with a true well-defined members for nucleus as well as the other organelles. The eukaryotic cells look like an animal cell, and that's because this is an animal cell as well as plant cell. Both plant and animal cells can be included in the category of eukaryotic cells. In the prokaryotic cell, this will have cells of low organism like various bacteria have prokaryotic cells. So that's the types of cells. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye!